Update now on yesterday's tornado warning for parts of Tyler and Smith County. This was downtown Tyler during the tornado warning, which included downtown and South Tyler. What you don't hear in that video, the city's storm sirens. That's because they never sounded. On the City of Tyler's Facebook page, people started asking why. We reached out, and a City of Tyler police spokesperson told us the police department did not activate the outdoor sirens because there was no evidence of rotation over the city. Now, this same storm system did produce that EF0 tornado near Frankston. And when they issued the tornado warning, the National Weather Service indicated possible rotation in the southern portion of Smith County.